Hello there, my friends. I'm Pittsburgh Pat. I teach Dungeons and Dragons to kids and new players, and we're going to be unboxing today this Dungeon Crap map collection. So these are play mats that you can put your characters on, you can draw on, you can use dry erase or wet erase markers on these, which is awesome. And the nice thing is they fold up instead of roll up, so they take up less space. They're relatively lightweight, and they already have certain patterns on them, which is nice. And they're also two-sided, so if I remember correctly, you get 4 mats and 2 sides, so you have 8 possible combinations. But you also, if you have a lot of kids, like I have a class tomorrow, has 15 kids in it. Oh, I have a class today, it's 16 kids in it. So you can divide them up into 4 groups: 1, 2, 3, 4, and then they can, each have their mat to play with. So let's take a look at these. So this one looks like kind of a forest floor, and on the back side you got like kind of a stony earth pattern, right? So they fold out to, let's see if I can zoom out here long enough here so that I can show you. So this way, 24 inches by 33 inches. And they stay relatively flat. I mean, towards the middle here, these creases, you're going to have some, but like if you take your characters and put them on the mat, like they're going to stay. So, all right, let's see the other side here. And the other nice thing is, like, I had one where I had a ship and then a ship and a ship drawn, and then I was able to only show the different parts of the ship that I wanted at one time. And then they fold up to 11 inches by 8, so basically like a piece of notebook paper. So this is pretty cool. So you can put it in a binder if you have something that holds paper. And yeah, and you can just use the map like whatever size you want. So you can, like that, or if you only need this much area, there you go. You don't have to spread it over the whole table. So you can play in a cafe or a place that has a smaller table. All right, this looks like a wooden planks. So wooden planks, maybe supposed to be the planks of a ship, maybe. And each one of these squares is 1 inch, so it's perfect for D&D figurines. And then this could be ocean, this could be sky, or this could just be like your blank, your blank page of a dungeon. You could just draw like the rooms, that sort of thing. Let's see, what are the other ones? So this one looks like a jungle floor, this side. And then this one looks like an Amazon rainforest river, right? There's the hint of waterfalls here and here. So you kind of I guess the Lost World they're talking about, Arthur Conan Doyle short story. If you guys know about that, let me know. Yeah. And then one more, and I'll put the link in the description where you can buy these as well. If you use my affiliate link, I might make a couple of dollars or pennies or something. This also looks like a kind of a stone temple with moss or a little bit of foliage overgrowing it. So this looks pretty cool, like an abandoned temple floor. And then on this side, this looks like a stone. So you could do a ziggurat. This gives me a Central American feel, like Mayan or Aztec kind of feel to it. So that's all I wanted to show you today. If you like the channel, thanks for liking and subscribing. Appreciate that. We're up to almost 16,000 subscribers. If you have any questions about teaching kids how to play D&D, there's all kinds of videos on my channels, and I have a sub-channel that's just exclusively devoted to that. I call it D&D Teacher. All right, I hope you guys have a great day out there, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, and let me know what you want to see next.